All right, 2012 Topps Valor box number 2, 11/22 Eastern Standard Time. Here's everybody up in it. Like I said, guys, Panini Black 2012 is on sale right now if you want to go ahead and grab spots. Dude, Dark Knight, we need Taco. You're absolutely right, dude. Taco Time sounds phenomenal. All right, we're just going to keep working our way down this left-hand side. See, they can just kind of spill out. So we're going to keep them in order. All right, seal that little guy back up. Get back in there. All right, here we go. Thanks, guys, so much for being here. Here we go. There's Andre Johnson, 87 out of 170. '87 out of 170, Andre. You got Frankleton Gore, 10 out of 170. Going to San Fran. Frankie P, that's my dude. What's up, Frankie? And then, LaMichael has got a Kobe Fleener, 41 out of 170. Can anybody else hear my wife out there? This microphone literally picks up everything. I'm going to show you guys this mic up here. It's the most amazing mic. It picks up everything. So as my wife's yelling at the dog out there. I don't know what she wants. All right. Then you got Stephen Hill, 43 out of 70. Stephen Hill. Going to the Jets. Big show. Come on. This guy. How about Eric Decker? 148 out of 250. Going to Denver. Frankie P. Hey now. Hey now. Nice little auto there. And then Nick Foles, 15 out of 70. Nice little two-color patch in there. Nick Foles. Going to Philadelphia. Rick H. Nice hit. All right.